Good morning. We're here now in Quinta de Mar in these amazing sought-after apartments. Quite a rarity to find one coming to market, especially one that's end of terrace. It has the additional lower terrace looking out onto the swimming pool, a side terrace off the kitchen. Apartments here, good quality, offer a lot of Algarvian living, if you like, close to the beach and everything that offers. So we've walked through the lovely courtyard area into the apartment. I'm actually standing now in the living room area. One thing that strikes you immediately is the quality of the tiling, the vaulted ceilings, the wood finishes. Just a very classic, well-kept property, and generally the condominium itself is of the highest standard. One thing I would like to point out, we have this huge terrace here to my right, which is quite a rare thing because obviously this particular apartment is end of terrace, so it gives you that additional space. There's a jacuzzi here on this terrace. Owners in the actual condominium have converted the kitchen into a third bedroom, so that is a possibility for anybody that wanted that additional bedroom. It's very achievable in the sense then this becomes more of an open plan kitchen living area. Further to say is that there is a lower terrace as well, which gives you access out onto the swimming pool area. There's a huge condominium swimming pool area that overlooks the beach, where we have some of the more prominent beach restaurants, actually probably arguably the nicest beach in this area of the Algarve. Now I'm in this amazing area, the condominium pool area. Ocean views from here are absolutely stunning. Very peaceful, very quiet, prime location. Come and have a look. Great opportunity if you want to capture that Algarvian living. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.